Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅ ಹೀರೋ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಆಥರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್.ಕೆ. ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅ ಹೀರೋ ಲೆಸನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಚೆಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್, ವೊಕ್ಯಾಬುಲರೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೀಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ನೀವು ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಾಗ ಬರೋದಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. Swami's first question, Swami's father drew his attention to a report in the newspaper. What was the report about? So, the answer, Swami's father drew his attention to a report in the newspaper which referred to the bravery of a village boy who had fought with a tiger in self-defense. Second question, the report said that the boy in bracket who fought with the tiger stayed on the tree for the half a day. Why did he do so? Choose the right answer. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, he wanted to watch the tiger from the top of a tree. Second one, B, he wanted someone to kill the tiger. C, he wanted to take rest for some time. So the answer is option B. He wanted someone to kill the tiger. Next, third one. Swami said that a very strong and grown up person might have fought with the tiger. Do you think he made his remark out of his option A, experience? Next, B, wisdom. C, belief. Answer, Swami made this remark out of his belief. He is too small to have either the experience or a wisdom. However, he has a certain ideas about the strength of grown-ups. Fourth one, can you prove you have courage? Swami's father said. Answer the following questions. First one, was he joking or serious? Second one, was it a challenge or a command? Answer, first one answer, and was he joking or serious? The answer, he was not joking, he was serious about his and cautioned his son. Next, B question, was it a challenge or a command? So the answer is, at first it was a challenge, later it turned into a command. Next, fifth one, the place where Swami usually slept was. Actually, the fill in the blanks. So answer, beside his granny in the passage. Sixth one, what is disgraceful according to Swami's father? Answer, Swami was in the second form. Hence, according to Swami's father, it was disgraceful for the Swami to sleep next to his granny or a mother like a baby. The next main part is check your understanding. First question, what do you think was the practice of granny before she went to bed? Answer, it was the practice of granny to narrate stories. Her question to Swami whether he didn't want to hear a story makes his point clear to us. Second one, was Swami really sleeping or was he pretending? Answer, he was pretending because he thought he wake him up and ask him to sleep in the office room. Third one, to Swami his father looked like an dash. Answer, apparition. Fourth one, why do you think Swami looked at his granny and his mother while following his father to the room? So the answer is, Swami thought his granny or his mother would save and help him from his father. Fifth one, there might be scorpions behind your law books, said Swami. So first one, had he seen them earlier or were there scorpions really? Next, B, was it a trick to escape from his father? So answer, option A the answer. No, he didn't see them behind. Really, there were no scorpions. Next, Answer B. Most probably it was a trick to escape from his father's command. Next main part, check your understanding. First question, the Swami wished that the tiger had not spared the boy, which means choose the right answers. Option A, he didn't want the boy to be alive. Option B, he didn't want to the tiger to be alive. So answer option A is the correct answer. He didn't want to the boy to be alive. Second one, as a silence deepened in the room, what was the Swami reminded of? Answer, Swami was reminded of all the stories of devils and ghosts he had heard in his life before. Third one, which place in the room did the Swami think was safe, compact, and reassuring? Answer, Swami felt that the place under the bench was safe, compact, and reassuring. Next, fourth one, Swami touched dash in the room instead of a granny. So fill in the blanks. The wooden leg of the bench. Fifth one, Swami saw a moving creature in the room. It was option A, he's a shadow, option B, a scorpion, and option C, a man. The answer is a man. Next, again main part, check your understanding. First question, who cried, Ayo, something has bitten me? Answer, the burglar. Next, second one, who did father, cook and servant stumble upon? Answer, the burglar. Next, third one, why were congratulations showered on Swami? Answer, Swami was instrumental in a notorious burglar of the district being caught. He managed the feat by biting into the flesh of the housebreaker. Fourth one, do you think Swami really wanted to join in the police? If not, what did he want to be? Answer, no. He desired to be an engine driver, a railway guard, or a bus conductor. Fifth one, did Swami muster up the courage to sleep alone after the burglar incident? Answer, no. And his father gave up on him. Sixth one, who supported Swami, his mother or his granny? Answer, he had the support of his mother. Next main part, think about the text. First question, a report about a boy in the newspaper was an unexpected event in Swami's life. Justify. Answer, Swami was an ordinary boy. He doesn't know what are the things published in the newspaper. While reading the newspaper, his father called him and said the bravery of the lad who faced the tiger. So it was really an unexpected event to Swami. Second one, Swami made a comment on the newspaper report. Was he right? How did his view differ from that of his father? Answer, Swami is of the opinion that if the boy could fight a tiger, then he should be a strong, grown up a person. However, his father contradicts him by saying that if a man has a courage, he will automatically become strong. Swami is not entirely wrong because fighting a tiger without weapons would not be easy even for a grown up man. Moreover, in the case of the boy, the question of courage doesn't arise as he had no choice but fight the tiger. After coming face to face with the tiger, he somehow climbs the tree and waits for someone to come and receive him. So, Swami is not wrong in thinking that a small boy wouldn't have been able to fight a tiger. Third question, what desperate attempts did the Swami make a escape from his father? Answer. First of all, he tried to change the subject, so he said loudly and with great enthusiasm about the cricket club and captain. But the father interrupted at once. Then he said from next month onwards he can sleep alone. Father didn't accept. Swami went quietly and secretly to his bed, covered the blanket completely. He pretended asleep until his father came and insisted to sleep in the office room. Swami gave many excuses that the office room was dusty, the scorpions may alive there, the room was dark, etc. But all those attempts failed before his father. Fourth question: why did Swami conclude that his father's proposition was frightful? The answer is Swami concluded that his father's proposition was frightful because his father expected him to not only sleep alone but also sleep in office room instead of the hall. Swami complained that there could be scorpions is waved aside by his father who suggested that the Swami sleeps on the bench. Moreover, his request to keep a lamp burning in the room is turned down by his father. The only request of a Swami that was honored by his father was to keep the door open. This too was agreed upon by the father after a strict warning to Swami that he shouldn't try to go to his granny's aside. Fifth question. Fifth question. As the night advanced, Swami felt that something terrible would happen to him. What would it be? How would it happen? Answer. Swami remembered all the stories he had heard about a ghost and devils. He recollected his chum money seeing in devil in the banyan tree at his street end. Swami also remembered the reference to uh, Munish Swami's father spitting out blood after being slapped by a devil on his way home. He was faint with fear. Every moment he expected the devils to come up to carry him away. Sixth one, there was absolute silence in the room. In spite of it, some noises reached Swami's ears. What were they? The answer, thought. There was absolute silence in the room. Swami heard the ticking of the clock, a rustle of trees, snoring sounds, night insects, humming, etc. Seventh one, narrate Swami's experience when he was lying under the bench. Answer, Swami thought that crouching under the bench was safe, compact, and reassuring. He shut his eyes tight and covered himself in his blanket. When he was asleep, he was disturbed by nightmares. In his dream, tiger was chasing him. He could hear the loud thud and scratching sound. Swami tried to open his eyes, but it would not open. The Nightmare CPC Honest Success series continued and he groaned in despair. Eighth one. How was Swami honored by his classmates, teacher, and the headmaster? Answer. Swami's classmates had a new respect for him. His teacher encouraged by him by patting his back, and the headmaster called him with a admiration, a true scout. Ninth one. Why did the father want Swami to sleep alone in the office room? Answer. Swami's father wanted him to behave like a grown up by sleeping alone. He wanted to break Swami's habit of sleeping next to his granny or mother. Swami's father felt that Swami was not being brought up in the right manner. He felt that Swami had to be more courageous. 10th one. Who do you think was wiser, Swami or his father? Justify your reference. Answer. Thought though Swami emerged a winner, it wasn't because of his courage or wisdom. So we cannot really consider him wise. All excuses made by Swami to avoid sleeping alone are waved away by his father, who wants to him to be courageous. Since his father succeeds at whatever he planned, perhaps we can take him as a wiser. 11th one. Why did Swami feel relieved at the end? Answer. Swami felt greatly relieved on realizing that his father had given up on him and wouldn't compel him to sleep alone. This happens because of the intervention of his mother, who, after the episode of the burglar, is bold enough to tell his father that he shouldn't risk Swami's life by making him sleep alone. 12th question. Suppose you are a Swami of the story. Write a brief letter to your friend describing how you helped to catch a burglar in your house. So ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬಿಲೋ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 13th question. Some words describing the characters of the a hero are given in brackets. Put them in the appropriate columns. So answer. ಸ್ವಾಮೀಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಥಾರಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮದರ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆಸ್. ಗ್ರಾನಿ ಕೇರಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಕಿ ನರ್ವಸ್. Next main part, enrich your vocabulary. Task 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ task 1 ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು first question, we had dash apples to carry. So the answer is 2. TOO. Second one, I dash horse at the marine beach. So the answer is road. RODE. Third one, did you have a dash for a lunch? So the answer is pear. PEAR. Next, fourth one, the books are over dash on the shelf. So the answer is there. THERE. Next, task 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ just na answers ನಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. First one answer story. Next, night, read, throw, for, by, at, of, went, fair. Next, task 3. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟರ್. FLATTER. Next, doubt. DOUBT. Next, tragedy. TRAGEDY. Next one, fragment. FRAGMENT. Next one, alert. ALERT. Next one, sixth one, scarcity. SCARCITY. Seventh one, sympathetic. SYMPATHETIC. Next, listen and comprehend. Answer the following. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Next, read and respond. Task 1 is there. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಟು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸಿಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಿಗಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೆದು ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿಲ್ ಆರ್ ವುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೇಕ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇದಷ್ಟು ಹೀರೋ ಲೆಸನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.